Welcome back to my video and good afternoon to all of you. What is health? There are so many times we just talk about health when we face any problems because health is real wealth. It is said that and it is true. So if you are living healthy lifestyle, you will live long, you will shrug off all the diseases and you will be energetic, your productivity will be high. But what about those people who is going through some serious issues? I have noticed that there are so many people, they just neglect their health in terms of business, in terms of their work. They don't give the priority to their health. They are leading very unhealthy lifestyle, and what is the consequence of it? They are facing major issues of obesity, thyroid, cancer issues, and diabetes as well. So I would like to give you the advice that if you really want to be healthy, then just you need to change your lifestyle. Get up in the morning, just take some exercise. It is a matter of 10 to 15 minutes every day, and try to have the healthy snack. Just shrug off oily food and just fancy fast food in the breakfast. After that, just try to meditate. We are dealing with stress and we are not handling the stress normally, means we are neglecting it. We have too much workload and we have the problem of office work, professional as well as personal. So what do? We are so indulged that we are not thinking about our health. So we should not compromise with our health. And if you see, for the last 6 to 7 days, I have headache. I don't know why I have headache. I have little pain in my head. I thought it is because of I'm going through cold issue. And you know very well, I refrain myself from medicine. I hate taking medicine. But sometimes medicine is the last option. Until I take the medicine, how would I get rid of the problems? Then I thought I need to take the medicine. First I thought because of my long hair, I I'm facing headache. Then I realized no, it's not the problem. I have headache. And then last 1 month I have also lost almost 2 kg weight. Means I'm not feeling confident in the gym as well. So I thought it is a matter of health issue. I should not neglect it. I should take the medicine on time and I should make myself healthy and wealthy. So guys, we should never ever compromise with our health. Guys, do you know, I want to share one more thing. Usually I just sleep during the afternoon because I close my shop at 2 o'clock, then I open my shop at 5 o'clock. So from 2 to 5 I have 3 hours. So I try my best to utilize my time. Then I thought now I'm going to make a video, I'm going to record my video, I'm going to write down, I'm going to learn something. But usually what do I do after having food? I don't know, our body produce some chemicals that we start feeling sleepy. Then usually whenever I sleep, then I get up almost after 2 hours, 2.5 hours. Then after getting up after 2.5 hours, I don't have energy in my body. I'm feeling energyless. But today what did I do? I just came on my brother's shop. I thought today I'm not going to sleep. I came on my brother's shop and I turned on the cooler and I'm sitting here. But in afternoon you cannot expect that customer is going to come because we have been opening our shop for the last 6 to 7 years like that. So every customer knows that he opens his shop at 5 o'clock. So it's usually opening your shop at during the afternoon. But to control my sleep, I came here and I thought let's go there and make a video. So today I closed my shop and I opened my brother's shop, but I didn't enjoy. So I thought now I'm going to just pack up all this stuff and I'm going to open my shop in the evening. And because I'm feeling comfortable over my shop here, instead of sitting here, I would love to sit there. And you know, I wanna tell you one more thing. This was the device. It is called Marco L0, but UDI has just changed its guidelines. Now this device is no longer in usable. so it is not working till since yesterday. So I'm unable to withdraw the money and I'm unable to activate the SIM. Means I'm having to say no to the customer that I cannot withdraw money due to some technical issue. So I just talked to my brother. Right now he's in Azamgarh in UP. So I said to him, hey, when are you gonna come? He said he's going to board the train today. So till tomorrow he will be in Delhi. So I said to him, when you are gonna come? He said, let me come, then we will buy 2 devices. We have to buy 2 devices actually. One is for me and second is for himself. So do you know what is the cost of this device? Around 3,500 rupees. So we have to buy almost 2 devices. We have to invest 7,000 rupees. It is our work, and without it we cannot do anything. And I would love to show my brother's shop. I think it is comfortable. If you talk about my shop's location, it is in Monday Market. There is very less activity of the people, but if you see in corner of the road, it is my brother's shop. It is located in the G block in here. There is very dense popularity. Yes, people often you can see the activity of the people, and you will not feel bored here. But I have been sitting there for the last 2 to 3 years, so I'm used to. I don't face any problem to sit there, but I'm feeling comfortable. I'm feeling comfortable. In the end, I would just say, guys, if you are watching my video, because there are so many people they watch my video, you must be thinking what I'm talking about. I don't have any proper topic. First, I'm getting used to speak in front of the camera. Once I feel comfortable, then I would just research about the topic and I will make a video. I think it is a matter of 2 to 3 days. After that, you will see a proper video on my channel. I will have very deep research about the topic and I will inculcate knowledgeable topic. So guys, keep supporting me and please keep appreciating me. Thank you so much. See you soon in next video. Radhe Radhe.